Alright, let's talk about something a little controversial but totally viral right now: semen retention. You've probably seen crazy claims online. What's the real deal? I am breaking down 3 benefits of semen retention that might just surprise you. First up, energy boost. Ever notice how after a late-night session you feel wiped out? That's not your imagination. Some people report that holding back for a while gives them more drive, more focus, motivation to hit the gym, motivation to tackle big projects. Imagine waking up, and instead of hitting snooze, you're ready to crush your goals. There's still debate in the science world, but the anecdotal evidence is wild. Guys say they feel like they've unlocked cheat codes for energy. I won't lie, I've tried it, and yeah, you do feel more on fire. Benefit number 2, mental clarity. This one's major. People claim their brains get less foggy, like they can actually think straight for once. Is it placebo? Maybe. But sometimes, changing one habit can lead to a domino effect. Instead of spending energy chasing short-term pleasure, you're investing it into learning, growing, creating more productive, and just sharper. You might even find yourself diving into side hustles, reading more. And number 3, confidence boost. This is the one that gets talked about the most. People on retention say they walk taller, speak more boldly, and just stop caring what others think. There's even this thing called the glow, where others notice a change in your vibe. It's like your self-control in one area starts to spill over into every part of your life. You might get bolder at work, ask someone out without feeling awkward, or finally set boundaries that actually stick. I've felt this firsthand. More eye contact, less anxiety, and just feeling more alive. So, to recap, semen retention can give you a boost in energy, mental clarity, and confidence. But let's keep it real. It isn't magic, and it's not for everyone. Listen to your body, and don't let anyone online guilt or pressure you. If you're curious, try it for a week or 2 and see what happens. Alright, if you found this interesting, smash that like button, drop a comment with your own experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest takes on modern life. Until next time, stay savage. Listen to your body, and don't let anyone online guilt or pressure you. If you're curious, try it for a week or 2 and see what happens. Until next time, stay savage.